Identify the zeros, wholes, and vertical asymptotes. If I'm given a rational function, okay, in order to find zeros, wholes, and vertical asymptotes, I'm looking at factors. If it helps, pretend that these are parentheses. If it helps, you don't need to. Zeros exist when you have a unique factor living in the numerator. That's where a zero is going to live. A vertical asymptote is going to live if you have a unique factor living in the denominator. A whole is going to exist if you have factors up in the numerator that's exact the same amount as the factors you have in the denominator. So if I have just one random thing living upstairs, that's a zero. If I have one random thing living downstairs, that's a vertical asymptote. And if I have the same thing living upstairs and downstairs, that's a whole. Now let's take a look at what I have. X minus 2 is nothing like x minus 4. Since you're living in the numerator, you are a zero. And in this case, my 0 is the opposite, or the number that makes this positive. So my 0 makes this 0, I'm sorry. So my 0 is going to be x equals 2. Since I have a factor that's nothing like a factor up here, x minus 4 in the denominator, that's going to be a vertical asymptote. And whatever number makes that 0, which is going to be 4, is going to be my vertical asymptote. So my 0 in this case is x equals 2, and my vertical asymptote in this case is x equals 4. Do I have any wholes? Nope. And that's how you do it.